Hey everyone, happy return to Shib. Tomorrow, a Shiba Inu coin might burst, so be ready for that. Forecasting SHIB prices, Shiba Inu has increased by a staggering 50% in the past week as SHIB keeps recovering its losses from the catastrophic cryptocurrency crashes that occurred last month. After plunging to a low of 0.789 on June 19, SHIB has recovered and is now up 53% over the last 7 days. We will discuss the possible tomorrow explosion of the Shiba Inu coin in this video. This SHIB price forecast will test your preparedness. Remember to give the video a huge thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to the channel to view our most recent expert analysis and shibainu price forecasts. Let's get the video started right now. On June 30th, let's see what shibainu is up to. The price of Bitcoin was successfully pushed below $20,000 by bears, which further reduced hopes for a revival of the cryptocurrency market. The entire value of the cryptocurrency market was $884 billion, down 4% from the previous day. Ethereum was down 6.7% and trading just above the $1,000 psychological mark, according to statistics from CoinMarketCap. With gains ranging from 1% to 4% throughout the same time frame, Uniswap, Leo, and Shiba Inu coin lead the top cap cryptos. An significant test is still being passed by the theory that the cryptocurrency market might reverse from its highs from the previous week. This also holds true for altcoins, whose total capitalization is currently close to its lows from the beginning of 2018, and for Bitcoin, which has been testing $122,000 for a long time. Even though shibainu had been showing signs of vigor in the last few days, she was still vulnerable to more losses. Lower highs and about equal lows produced a falling triangle pattern that suggested more losses. Bulls have been forced to sell as a result of the bears' pressure, which has caused the price to tumble to 0.0070, a level last seen in October 2021. The SHIB price then bounced back to 0.0012, but then it fell again to 0.0096, where it found refuge in the descending triangle's horizontal trending line. As of writing, this level was enduring its third attack after surviving the previous two. The level might not hold for a rebound this time, though, given the information about the bearish triangle and the ongoing strength of the dollar. The price strength at 39 indicates that the bears have the initiative and the wheel to start another run lower, and the relative strength index is trending lower towards the oversold area. Because of this, traders could anticipate a decline towards 0.00008 if the bears are successful in breaking through the 0.0096 mark, which would result in losses of 18%. A decrease in the direction of 0.767 would result in a 22% loss overall. This is likely where the local bottle would form, allowing those who invested later to purchase Shiba Inus or add to their collection. On the plus side, things might reverse if macroeconomic issues become less prominent and the moving average convergence divergence (MACD) indicator keeps rising into the positive zone, which would ignite a SHIB price rebound. If that were the case, bulls may easily retake 0.0010 and rapidly reach the 50-day simple moving average (SMA) around 0.0163, which would only mean that Tuesday's losses would be pared back. The 0.128 level would be broken on a further upward leg, signifying the beginning of an uptrend. The crypto data analyst company Into the Block provided on-chain data that confirmed the significance of recovering the 0.0010 psychological level. According to its in or out of the money around price, IAP, model, 12,64,000 addresses previously purchased 1.42 trillion SHIB at this price. Therefore, this group of investors, who could be hoping to boost their chances of generating money, will support any efforts to push SHIB above this level. SHIB's price has increased by 10% over the last 30 days, despite the Shiba Inu's price rising by 53% in the last 7 days. Now, it is trading at about the same level as SHIB did following the significant Luna cryptocurrency meltdown in early May. SHIB fell even more along with the entire market as a result of multiple collapses throughout this bear market. Shib, however, outperformed the majority of other cryptocurrencies of a similar magnitude in the last week, defying broader cryptocurrency trends. Shib is now the 9th best performing cryptocurrency among the top 100. It does, however, perform the best among the top 15 cryptocurrencies. The 36% rebound in Dogecoin is the most similar to Shib's price movement. The trading volume of Shiba Inu has also been impacted by this brief trend. During its peak, Shib's 24-hour volume reached $2 billion. Since then, it has decreased to about $800 million, but that is still a 150% gain from 1 week ago. The current values of Bone and Leash, the other two tokens in the Shiba Inu ecosystem, are 41% and 46% higher, respectively. As the Shiba Inu team finishes work towards the Shibarium Layer 2 beta and final launch, the price action of the cryptocurrency has also arrived, coinciding with the massive whale activity and the broader crypto recovery. The current Shiba Inu Doggy DAO vote is overwhelmingly in support of stopping Bone payouts in advance of the Shibarium Layer 2 launch, as opposed to minting additional tokens. The Shib team proposed solutions that would distribute Bone incentives for Shibarium validators, with Doggy DAO having the last say, since Bone is the gas token of Shibarium. With a staggering 98% of votes presently in favor of stopping awards, the vote's outcome appears to be apparent. The Shiba team described how Bone would fit into the Shibarium Layer 2 in a blog post about Bone farming. It stated that validators in Bone are rewarded for their efforts. We need to protect 20 million Bone in order to build Shibarium and reserve Bone for validator positions. 20 million Bone is currently valued at about $8.7 million. Only 250 million Bone are expected to be released, therefore this accounts for about 8% of the total. The Shib team does not, however, possess this Bone. This implies that in order to reserve this 20 million Bone, they have to speak with the DAO. There were only two options left. Option A was to conserve the remaining funds for Shibarium validators and cease Bone farming at 230 million. Under Option B, the Bone maximum would be raised to 270 million, with the additional 20 million going towards Shibarium. It appears that the DAO members will select Option A and stop Bone shibaswap payouts for Shibarium once the voting period opened on June 19. After 2 days of voting, around 29 million staked Bone have supported Option A, while just 557,000 Bone have voted for Option B. This results in a 98-2 vote in favor of Option A, a resounding victory. Some holders liken the idea for excessive minting to government's ability to print money. In the Bitcoin community, these inflationary strategies are very contentious. In fact, some even question the validity of the Bone contract and the process's feasibility for excessive mining. Others perceive. Similar to why Shib burns seek to restrict the Shiba supply, they see a reduced supply as beneficial for their own holdings and Bone's price. Should the vote be approved, shibaswap's Bone prizes would soon come to an end. The minted Bone is currently at 225 million, which is only 5 million short of the suggested ceiling. Rather than 2 years as per the original cap, the Shiba team stated that this could occur in the upcoming weeks. Launched in April of this year, Shib Burn is the Shiba Inu coin burn platform. The burn of the Shib tokens was being tracked by the gateway. When coins were transported to dead wallets, they were regarded as burned and were never again in circulation. The portal was created in collaboration with the creators of the Rashi's Vision currency, and owners of burned ships would receive 0.49% of all Rashi transactions. Overnight, the burn rate increased by 93.95% due to the destruction of 28.84 million Shiba Inu coins. Shiba Inu coins worth 410.37 trillion have been destroyed and taken out of circulation. Analysts remind out that after a challenging 2022 thus far, the cryptocurrency markets have entered a bear market. A market that has lost more than 20% of its value in a single year is referred to be a bear market. The fact that Shiba Inu is still adding thousands of holders is still a long-term favorable sign. The current total number of Shib holders is 1,176,325, whale stats. We're done for today. Remember to give the channel a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to see our most recent videos.